Is it live or not? Let me check. Just a second. Just a second. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for coming up in my live stream, because this is something which I admire a lot, talking to you people and being live there, so that our conversations are very raw, real, and we get instant feedback on whatever things that is happening here and around YouTube marketing. That is what I am here for. So I'll just check in a few seconds that things are all okay with voice, audio, and everything is okay, so that we can continue in this live stream. And so let's begin. Hi, my name is Aniket Mishra. I'm a YouTube educator. I like to call myself as a YouTube educator, though in professional term, I would call myself as a YouTube growth strategist who helps in the audience development part, the content planning, and all sorts of best ways to follow monetization, so that instead, even if you are not into the monetization policy, you still earn money through YouTube, making it very simple, making it very easy for you people. So I'll just check in a minute on my phone, and let's see how it goes. I hope things are well, and then probably we could just put it up here, and maybe we can even put a live. Let me do this. Let me do this. Let me put the live story. I think that would be good. So peeps, we are live. I guess we just need to search Aniket Mishra Live and you'll catch me there. So peeps, done. Cannot see the chats. I hope someone has joined. Someone. Not expecting a lot of people, but someone. I think volume is good. Let me check. Oh. Yes. How is the volume? How are you, Pranav? How is the volume going on? Please let me know, so that is this a change, or is this just this thing going on? I'm not sure. I guess it's okay. If my voice is changing after I come close to the mic, let me test out. Yeah. Let me test it out. If yeah, I guess I think it's good. I think it's good. Just put it up. Thing going on the correct manner. My phone here so that I can read the chats. I'll be sharing the screen, and welcome to the stream. Welcome Pranav, welcome Umang to the stream. Thank you so much for coming. It's pleasure having you people here watching this live and not a replay, so it's always good. So I'll be debunking today one of the YouTube channel that I love myself a lot, and I've learned a lot from that particular channel. To be very honest, he's doing really great, and in last 1 year of time he has grown more than 300k subscribers on YouTube, and that's something amazing. That's something which I admire the most in him, that he has grown his channel to that level where it's amazing to see the growth, man. It's amazing to see the growth. So today I'll share the screen. I'll show you how things have rolled down for him. And his name is Aksh Verma. I don't know if you are going to watch this live stream, or maybe a clip that I post on my channel. Aksh, I haven't taken your permission to do the audit or whatever things that I like about your channel, but even if you are watching it after it go live, or any of my clip, I'm saying thank you so much. Not for a long, because I'm initially doing it without even asking for the permission, but yeah, anyways, it comes in the fair copyright policy. So I guess this is something which we can go and proceed with in the forward. Hi Sumit. Sumit Vlog joins the stream. Thank you so much, Sumit, for joining in. And let's best budget setup for YouTube. Umang, best budget setup, maybe what are your requirements? What are you looking for? You are looking for a good camera, a good mic, whatever is your requirement? Please be specific so that I can answer it in a better way. So let me just go back to the to my OBS settings so that I can change it, make it small. Just give me a second. Here, I hope I'm visible. I just cut it down a bit. Not this much, like this. Yeah. I hope I'm visible. I hope everything is good. You can see me. You can see the channel. Pranav, if you're live, can you just confirm? Or I hope it is good so that I can possibly go forward with whatever I'm going. So let's just close this form. Let's get back here. I hope it is live. So this is the channel which I was talking about. His name is Aksh Verma. He typically makes content on just YouTube about how you can grow your YouTube channel, how things rolls in YouTube, what are the things that you can follow, how you can run paid ads, what are the things that you can follow, the right best practices to grow a YouTube channel, how well you can do with YouTube is the basic concept, the idea of this particular channel which teaches in this particular YouTube channel. So let's go inside and see what is the key aspect. On this particular live stream, I'll be getting down into finding more content ideas, how you can get more content ideas, and what are the ways that you can implement in order to get more content ideas and make right content that brings you search traffic on your YouTube channel. So let's go down to the channel first, because we need to see how he initially started and what are the things that he has been following which helped him in order to grow his YouTube channel, which is on YouTube marketing niche, to be very clear. So if we go down, the channel just started 1 year back, which had almost 75k, which he talks about how he earns through the Quora partner policy. And then he has couple of videos related to tech, talking about charging cable, talking about some camera, phone stuff, some basic things like WhatsApp, earn money through Quora, Android apps, get paid by brands on Instagram. But that was the initial phase when he started on, because in the initial phase you really don't know what you're gonna make content on. It's very difficult to understand. So that's why what I consult to my clients is to find an umbrella keyword for your content strategy. Once you have that umbrella keyword, once you have that main keyword that you're going to focus on in order to grow your YouTube channel, okay, this is particular niche, like let's imagine YouTube marketing is your niche, and that's the keyword, that's the umbrella keyword that you have for your channel. Now you have to make double down content on that particular keyword. If YouTube marketing is your niche, double down on that particular YouTube marketing content ideas in order to make and build authority in front of the YouTube algorithm, because YouTube algorithm and the AI that is working behind the algorithm doesn't know who you are. And if I want to create a brand authority on the word YouTube marketing, I need to double down my content. So you will see for the next couple of months when I'm putting up content, there will be nothing but just YouTube marketing tips, tricks, growth hacks, and whatever best practices that can be implemented in order to grow your YouTube channel. There will be nothing else apart from exactly what YouTube marketing is all about. That's what you need to do, man. That's solely you need to do when you are starting out. You don't need to diversify in the beginning. Find an umbrella keyword and then double down on the content. In the same manner, if you see the channel, he has tried different things, but after some time, he started up with the YouTube content books, like 5 ways to start a YouTube channel. I think this is the start of the content that you need to do. Like find one particular keyword and then double down on that. So if you see, then the video goes on YouTube video. This is also YouTube video. Then it was about logo. I'll come back to that also, why he has used logo and everything. You will see all our logo. Then he jumped up to Instagram too, but then you see that he came back to YouTube again. Then again YouTube. Then you will see all majority of his content is all about YouTube. The reason why he made more and more content on YouTube, because you will see he is getting views on YouTube too. 176k, 234k, 156k, about a million in this particular video. So you need to understand is that you need to find one umbrella keyword. For him, it was YouTube marketing that blew up his channel. Then you need to double down on it. Make more and more content on that particular keyword, so that YouTube algorithm comes to know about that Aks Verma is related to YouTube marketing, or Aniket Mishra. If I'm started to make more and more content on YouTube marketing, algorithm will get the information that Aniket Mishra is someone expert or someone who knows something about YouTube marketing. So you need to make more and more content on that one single umbrella keyword. Now the thing is, Aniket, I know it. Like I get in my DMs that Aniket, I know the keyword, I know my niche, I know what content is that I need to focus on. Let's say I need to focus on freelancing, or I need to focus on Amazon FBA. Now what is the second thing that I need to do? Like I make a content on freelancing, or I make a content on one particular topic, but I don't have more topics. What should I do? That's the problem that I hear in the comment section, in the DMs, that Aniket, I don't know how to find good content ideas that will help me rank in my first page of YouTube and get more search traffic from YouTube. I'll take the questions from the comments, and then I'll get back to what exactly you need to do in order to find great content ideas which has high search volume and which will help you to build your authority on the YouTube channel. So I'll just coming back. I'll see. Hey bro, Digital Raghav, thank you so much for coming up, Raghav, to the channel. Bro, then most videos on the stock market and digital market. Then most. Raghav, I have no idea what your question is about. Can you please brief out a bit, being specific about what your content, what your question is? Then probably I can get back to your answer, and then probably if anyone has some other questions, you can drop down in the comments. We will do interval Q&As, and then at last also we'll do the full and final Q&A if you have some questions too. So the formula to find out the right content ideas, like how do you find it? You need to understand, you need to have some pain. Let me take a whiteboard. Let me take a whiteboard free. Let me take a whiteboard so that I can explain it in a better way to you people. Sign up for free. I guess I'm already a user. Not buy. Damn, this is something which I hate. Can we just start off? Let me click security. Okay, this is not the thing. It's not a whiteboard. Just a second, or maybe I've opened up on this some other tab. I don't find that whiteboard here. This is the thing, man. Every time I try to do something, I just mess it up. That's what I do. I mess up things. Okay, I have the whiteboard. Let's see. So the first point that you need to understand in order to find content ideas, I'm getting back, guys, sorry for the delay. Let's get back to the content ideas. How you can find good content ideas in when you are growing your YouTube channel. So let's take it in this manner. Find out what are the, I'm not using my mouse because I have connected all the cables in this. Find out what are your pain points of the of your content. Like just imagine if my topic is YouTube marketing. Okay, so what could be the pain points of YouTube marketing niche? The pain points would be, I cannot grow my YouTube subscriber. How to grow my YouTube subscriber? Or maybe something, how to create a channel banner, how to edit my videos, how to make a thumbnail. Those are the pain points of YouTube marketing niche, and that doesn't work for just YouTube marketing niche, but that works for each and every niche that you are trying to grow. You need to find the pains that person feels who are in your niche. See, you started up as an newbie when you got into that industry, you got into that particular field. You need to understand, like I got as a YouTube newbie when I started learning about YouTube. What questions that arises in my mind, and what were the pain points that I faced in the initial phase, what were the FAQ questions that I faced in the initial stage of my life when I was started learning about YouTube marketing. That needs to be your content. That are the pain points of a newbie or your customer or your audience, what he's looking up, what he or she is looking up on the channel. So suppose we have a YouTube marketing niche. What can be your content topic is how to grow your YouTube channel. That's a pain point. I'm not able to grow my YouTube channel. How I can create a channel banner. Channel banners are very essential because channel banner gives you the context about what your YouTube channel is all about. If a person comes from a one particular video, he or she doesn't know really what other contents you make on your channel or what your whole channel is all about. So channel banner gives a very clear indication with the context that, okay, this is what Aniket stands for. For me, I wrote YouTube simplified. So if a person jumps up to my channel, he or she will understand that he makes YouTube marketing very simple. So I wrote YouTube simplified. Simple words, making it easy and giving more context to the people, to the viewers that are coming first time on my channel, so that they come to know what my channel is all about and what are the contents that they can expect from my channel. So how to create a channel banner or how to create a thumbnail, that can be also a pain point of a person, because when you are starting out, you don't know how to create a thumbnail. You think of creating something, you go on Photoshop, then you need to learn a new skill. That's also a very hectic job. So you need to understand that there needs to be, these kinds are the pain points that a person feels when he's starting out. He made a video, now how to make a thumbnail. He doesn't know to make a thumbnail. How to edit a video, that is also one of the content topic. How to edit a video, what are the things that I can do in order to edit my videos in a better way, because normal videos doesn't work well, though it works for a lot of creators. But generally what happens is the audience retention is going down day by day, but at the same time there is high amount of audience retention also going on other YouTube channels. The reason is the videos are highly optimized, or are very rich in content. You either can be a good orator, putting up the hell lot of great content outside in the YouTube space where with your YouTube videos, or you have a great editing. Yeah, you need to have both the things. You cannot just have a great editing and shitty content, but you need to understand that those small little things matters a lot. And in the same manner, editing comes in that picture. So you have to know how to do editing. These are the pain points of a creator who is just starting up. You need to understand all the pain points, all the FAQ questions that you initially was finding out and was trying to find out, becomes the content ideas that you will make on your channel. That is one of the content bucket that I call it a bucket. Let me write. I'm not using the mouse, so bear with me with my spellings and the texture, the scribble that I'm using. So these are one of the content buckets that you can focus on. What you need to do is, you have one of your content buckets as a pane. What you need to do is just do +1. +1 means add videos to that. +1 can be thumbnails. +1 can be video editing. +1 can be how to grow a channel. +1 can be how to design a banner. +1 can be anything. How to write good titles. That's a pain. I don't know how to write a good title. That is a pain point that I as a newbie creator is facing. And those will be your content ideas for your niche, irrespective of whatever niche you are. I just took an example of YouTube marketing for that matter. So that's one of the things. I'll come back to the second point, but I'll just take the question from the comments if there is something. Yes. Hello, sir. I was asking, can you post videos on stock market and digital marketing both together? Should focus on one thing? No, digital marketer, I would ask you to post content on just one particular content topic. It doesn't need to be both, because both are completely different genre. You make two separate channels, one for stock marketing and one for digital marketing, and make content for both of them on the other, like on the separate channels and not just on one channel. That's what, because YouTube algorithm will be confused on what keyword or what authority you are trying to build on that particular channel, because you will be making two very different kinds of content, and that doesn't resemble with each other in any form. So I would highly recommend you to make two separate channels for your YouTube, for stock market and for the digital marketing space. So this was how to delete everything. Erase all. Yes. So did it? Erase all. It cannot be undone. I need to do it again. Okay, let me do it. Can it not be complete erase at once? And please bear with me. Seems like I am late. Hey man. Hey Sam. Yeah, a bit late, but it's completely okay. I'm just discussing out what are the great ways to find out good content ideas. Damn, what did I do now? Just wait. Just a second. Yeah. I think I just zoomed it out on my screen or what. I always do this. This is not good. Okay, let's erase this. Let me see if my screen is okay. I just need to place it down. Just a second. I'm really sorry for this inconvenience. I'm really bad at it. I'm not bad at it, but sometimes I just mess up things. Yeah. So getting back to it. YouTube delete. Yeah, I tried delete, but it didn't work. Any software for YouTube SEO you can use vidIQ or TubeBuddy. You can get the links in my description, and if you join it from there, I might get an affiliate commission if you purchase the subscription then only. So the first content bucket that I talked about was the pain points. The pain points. What are the pains that a creator face? How to edit a video, how to design a thumbnail, how to do cover, how to make thumbnails, what are the ways to write good titles. These were the key pain points that a small creator faces when he's starting out. The second thing, the second content bucket is, can you guess? Can anyone guess what I'm writing? Though my spellings. This is the second content bucket. This is what you sell. Dream. Creating a thumbnail part. Yes. These are few of the pain points that a small creator faces. Second content bucket for you, after the pain points that I mentioned, second content bucket is dream. What dreams can you sell to those people? What are the dreams that those creators have? The creators have just talked about, we were talking about YouTube marketing. Okay. So what are the things that a creator wants to make content on, or what are his aspirations and dreams in the space? He wants to grow to the place where he has about 100 subscribers. Just imagine he wants 100 subscribers. That's a goal, that's a dream that a creator has. Let's talk about he wants 1,000 subscribers. Those are the dreams, and those are the content ideas that you need to focus on in the second content bucket, which is dream. What are the dreams that a person is having? I want to grow my channel to 1,000 subscribers. I want to have this amount of X amount of revenue that I want to generate on my YouTube channel, or how this is gonna help you make something better in your life. You tell about a dream. You tell about, how this XYZ strategy can help you earn XYZ amount of money. How personal branding can help you generate thousands of dollars every month by passive income. Just a random content topic that I told. You can utilize the dreams. Like I had a dream to hit $1,000 a month by the year end. I literally have a dream now that I want to hit $1,000 a month by the year end, and that's what the dream. And a content idea is something like, if you are a creator who are into the freelancing niche, and I being a freelancer, I want to know how I can earn $1,000 a month by doing freelancing. Your content ideas can be how you can generate $1,000 a month with freelancing. using YouTube, using affiliate marketing, using whatever blogging or whatever stuff you want to do it. Those are the dreams. I had a dream to earn $1,000 a month by the year, and those are my dreams. And making content on those dreams will help you to drive a lot of traffic, because $1,000 is a lot of money. In Indian currency, it's almost like 70,000 rupees. So this $1,000 goal is a dream of every freelancer. Once he starts out, he has a dream to hit 100k $100 mark, then $10,000 mark, and then like $1,000, 10,000, not 10,000, like I'm sorry, $1,000 mark. So these kinds of dream content, like I aspire to have a silver play button, as Raghav mentioned. I aspire to have 1,000 subscribers. I aspire to have $1,000 a month in my bank account every month with my freelancing services. These content topics will get you high search. These content topics will get you the desired views that you are looking for, and these content topics can even make you viral. So there is no viral formula. There is no right strategy. There is no wrong strategy. There is a strategy that works for you. That's the key line that I teach to everyone, and I tell to everyone that there is no right or wrong strategy. You have to figure it out what is working for your channel, and you need to implement and double down on that particular content topic. So like the first content bucket was pain. The second content bucket that I mentioned is dream. Sell about what dreams they have and make content on that, because those are the things people would be searching on, and then people would be getting to your content, and you will be ranking on the search traffic. You will be ranking on the search page of YouTube. That's the second content idea that you can focus on in order to grow your YouTube channel. Apart from the pain aspect, that was the first thing. The second aspect is dreams. That's the second content bucket that you need to focus on. And the best part is, you don't have to worry about it. You just have to write it down on a piece of paper, pain, dreams, and just plus one, plus one, plus one, plus one. Add up to those content buckets. In dreams, how to get $1,000 a month with freelancing. If you are a freelancer and if you make content on freelancing, how to make $1,000 a month with freelancing. How to earn $1,000 a month with Upwork. How to make $1,000 a month with Fiverr. I'm just talking about a single content topic with different kind of websites that you can use, and everything can be sold under that same content bucket, which is dream. Let's talk about pain points. If you're talking about YouTube as a creator, how to make a thumbnail, how to make a cover art, how to edit your videos, what are the best things that you can use to generate good titles, what are the different types of thumbnails that you can use. Those are the pain points that wants a person. Like how to grow to 100 subscribers. I don't know how to grow to 100 subscribers. That can be a pain point of a creator who is just starting out, and those contents will act as a great search traffic for you and will generate tons and tons of views in order to grow. That's how you do it, man. Pain, dream. Let's talk about the third content bucket that I have for you, which is utility. Why I talk about utility, I will come back to that. Utility, or just take tools that you use to do it. Anything. It can be anything. Tools can be anything, and not just specific to a particular tool that you use. See, you are on YouTube for an agenda. Everyone comes on YouTube for an agenda, and you need to have an agenda. For God's sake, you need to have an agenda. You cannot just come on YouTube and try out everything and think, okay, this might work, or let's do this. As I mentioned, Raghav, you cannot do two things on that same channel. You have to do on different channels so that it has some specific kind of context to what you are doing. If you are making content on just stock market, then you have to double down on content on stock market, and you need to show yourself an expert. Not show, but prove it up with the content that you make on that particular platform, on your particular channel. So in the same way, everyone has some agenda. Generally, that clients that I work with, they have an agenda to make money. They want to sell their product, because those are generally those agency owners that have a lot of services that they want to sell organically. And that's the key agenda that they want. They are trying to grow their YouTube channel so that they can generate more organic leads from their YouTube channel. That's the agenda they have. Then there are a lot of other agendas, like you want to grow your YouTube channel because you want fame. you want to get good connections with a lot of big people, or maybe have good tons of subscribers, tons of views. That's the second agenda a person can be having. But let's come back to the first agenda, which is a core thing for what you need to do is getting up and making money from YouTube. That's the first of the agenda that generally which clients that I work with have. But getting into the YouTube partner policy is a tough job. Getting to 1,000 subscribers is a tough job. Making up to the 4,000 hour watch time is also a tough job, and that's the most hardest part. In order to, like, when you are growing up, even getting to 1,000 subscribers looks easy, but growing 4,000 hour of watch time is not easy. It's not. So in that manner, once you reach to that goal, before even reaching to that goal, you are putting a lot of efforts, and once you don't get results to the efforts that you put in, you feel demotivated. And what's the agenda, what's the purpose, man? If you are putting up effort, if you are doing the right thing, and if you're not making money, and if you're a businessman, if you're an entrepreneur, or if you're a freelancer, there's no purpose of doing that thing. You should definitely shift back to something else which makes money for you, because time, you are investing time, you are investing effort, you are investing money, and if you're not getting a good positive ROI, what's the matter, man? What's the purpose? So the third bucket needs to be utility and tools. Now let's talk about what can be a content topic for a freelancer. Let's talk about, you are a freelancer and you make content on freelancing topics. What can be the utility or the tool content bucket that you can make content on? Let's take, I as a YouTube marketer, I talk about, like, let's take the example of freelancing only. You are talking about freelancing platforms, you are talking about freelancing, whatever your niche is, freelancing. Let's take in that manner, and then talk about the content bucket of tool and utility. Let's take how to grow your account on Upwork. Upwork is one of the tool that a lot of freelancers use in order to get clients. So this is a tool, this is a utility tool that can be helped to grow, to get more leads, to get more clients, and generate revenue. So this comes under the tool section, and this is one of the content bucket that you need to focus on. You can do the same thing, how to create an account on Upwork, how to create an account on Fiverr, how to create an account on Freelancer, how to create an account on all those free freelancers, not free exactly, freelancer platforms that help us to generate more leads, help us to get more clients. You can make tons and tons of videos just by explaining about all those platforms, how to make an account, I'm just talking about one aspect of that particular tool, how to make an account on that particular platform. One second content topic can be inside that's I'm talking about a sub content topic in the tool content bucket. Sub content, which can be, one can be making an account. Let's talk about the second can be optimizing the profile. If your profile is not optimized on Fiverr, if your profile is not optimized on Upwork, people, the clients, the prospect that you will be bidding up for your services, they will come to your profile and they will see that you are very unprofessional, and they might not even start replying or even give you the projects. So optimization of your profile, it's very important. That can be one of the subtopic. Apart from how to make an account on that particular platform, now you can make a series on just on all those platforms, on how you can optimize that particular platform, how you can optimize your profile to the best to get the best results from that platform. Let's take some other subtopic. Let's remove all those freelancing websites and talk about how to optimize a Facebook profile to generate leads as a freelancer. So now, instead of talking about just the tools, you are getting into the utility section and talking about a social media platform. You're talking about Facebook for that. You can make series on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. The list goes on, man. That list goes on. So it can be the same thing which you did on the freelancing websites like Freelancer, Upwork, and all those platforms, Fiverr. You can do the same thing on social media platforms. How to optimize your profile on Facebook and generate leads as a freelancer. Like this title doesn't seem very good, but you can optimize the title and have a good title and a catchy title, like how to generate $1,000 a month with Facebook as a freelancer. This can be a content topic if you are a freelancer and if you are making content on freelancing niche. How to generate $1,000 a month with Facebook organically as a freelancer. Let's take organically as a keyword, as a strong keyword that will help you, because organically will punch down to certain level in our psychology that, this is something which I need to do. I don't want to invest money. I want to get free clients from a social media platform which doesn't even charge me anything apart from the time that I invest. So that can be one of the subset. Then you can talk about the affiliate tools that you are using. Like in my case, I use vidIQ, I use TubeBuddy for my clients and as well as myself. So if you go and check the description right now, you will find out that there are two links which is given. One is of TubeBuddy and the second one is of vidIQ. And both are links not just to the website, but those links are my affiliate links. And if a person clicks on that links and signs up and purchases the premium version, which is $10 a month, which is similar to both of the platforms, vidIQ and TubeBuddy as well, I get a certain amount of commissions from those particular companies and those particular tools. So you can make specific videos just about the tools that you use. And the tools are, there are number of tools that you can make videos on. If you're talking about just freelancing platforms, you can talk about how you use Canva to make good graphics for your content, how you can use this particular platform, vidIQ, TubeBuddy. You can go to AppSumo and find out good LTDs there and be an affiliate in there. In AppSumo, and you can make content on just SaaS. If you are making content on SaaS and if you are interested in this tool culture, you can go and be an affiliate on those marketplaces and make tons and tons of content on those particular things. Even if you are a freelancer or even if you are into these space, see, if I'm an Instagram marketer, I would go and be an affiliate from Flick. Flick is an hashtag tool which helps you to optimize the right hashtags and which gives you the data about that particular hashtag, which helps you to rank. So these kinds of tools, these kinds of subtopics and topics that can come under the tool content bucket can be utilized as one of the content ideas. So in very simple term, you will come to know that there are majorly, I'm talking about majorly, there are a lot of content ideas that you can use in order to grow your YouTube channel. But let's take, you are just starting out. You have just 15 subscribers. You have just 25 subscribers. Connected. Did it got disconnected? I'm back. I think I'm back. Okay. Sorry. So three majorly content bucket that you need to focus on. The heck did it go? Okay. Three majorly content bucket that you need to focus is, first is pain. You need to focus on pain. Then second is dream. Then tools. Now what you need to do is, these three content bucket can amplify your content for next 50 videos. Next 50 videos. So for next 50 videos, you can use only these three content buckets. You just need to do +1 every week, +1. If you have a bandwidth to make content, what you need to do is make a content on pain point, make a content on dream, make a content on tool. Every week you just need to do these simple steps and you can get at least your first 50 videos. If you don't know what content to make, you have just started out your YouTube channel, you made just 1 or 2 video and you're confused about what you need to make content on next, just take these three content buckets and you have at least 50 videos, the next 50 videos on your channel, and that will be ample amount of content on your channel to decide what to make next, understand the algorithm, see what content works for you, and then you can double down on those content topics and have a great YouTube channel and grow it with faster rate and have great views and get into the monetization partner policy as soon as you can. So yeah, this is it. I'll just do this map out this particular thing. Let's go this side. Put it there. Yeah, I think let's need to minimize a bit. Just a second. Yeah, I think I'm done. I just a second, guys. I need to have an extra plugin for my mouse because all my jacks and all my USB cable has been used by using mic, camera, and all those things. So I'll just take up the questions and maybe I'll help you out in some or the other way. This was the thing. I'll just go back to all the questions. 2 point, can you edit distro there? No, I need to take permission, Raghav. I cannot audit like this. What content things you are like about his channel? I didn't get your question. So I'm saying hello, sir. Hello, sir. Please make videos related to government jobs. That's not my niche, bro. Neil Armstrong. Hi, bro. Hi, Neil Armstrong. Saurabh Singh, sir. Society only respect government job person. Let the society do his job. I don't care. Neil Armstrong, can you please make videos on government jobs? And Aniketmishralive, sir, please help me in government jobs. My marriage is pending. Sorry, bro. Busy on the moon. Neil Armstrong, please come back and prepare a government job. But that's tougher reaching. Please request any website to make. I'll know, man. Love how cool, good friend of school. Maybe. What you say with 15 subs can in a channel? What you can say with 15 subs? Digital Raghav, can you please be specific? What do you mean by what do you say by 15 subs? Can you make? What things I need to do? Can you audit my channel? Yes, Digital Raghav, I can audit your channel. Send in your link in the comment section, and I'll pick up the link and then I'll do the channel audit now, and then I will proceed up. I'll wind up the live stream. Send in the link, Digital Raghav, on the comment section. Are you there, Raghav? Live. You can just send me send it on the comment section so that got a bunch of ideas for videos to come, man. It's great, Isham. Love to help, man. Love to help you every time. That's the basic formula, man. You just, if you don't know what to do, you are just starting out, find this 3 content bucket: pain, dream, and utility or the truth. Pain, what are the pains you are facing? I don't know how to edit. I don't know. That's the same thing what Aksh did. He made videos on the same thing, on how to edit a video or how to do. See, I'll just show you. I'll show you how. That's the content plan that he has used. Let's minimize a bit. See, if you go and see, and if you that's the same exactly what he did. How to add an end screen in a video. How to make money with YouTube with 0 subscribers. Just see how to make professional thumbnails. My first 2x your YouTube subscriber. Best budget microphone. My pain point is I don't know what mic I need to buy. This is the question that I'm getting solved by best budget mic. What I have a problem with the budget. I don't know how I can invest a lot of money into getting into buying a very expensive mic. Best budget mic. This is a pain point that I am facing as a new creator. He's solving a problem for me. How to change video background in KineMaster. I don't know how to solve a video in a KineMaster. He is solving for me. Then 0 to 100k YouTube subscribers. How to reach to 0 to 100k YouTube subscribers. He's solving a problem for me. And that is all that comes also in the dream section. I have a dream to get 100k subscribers. And that's how he's solving that dream for me. So that's exactly what he did. That's exactly how he's making it. And he has reached to see in just 1 year of spam, he has reached up to 333k subscribers. Though he ran a lot of Google ads too on his YouTube channel, but still, even if you make to 100k, it's a great deal, man. Nobody makes 100k in 1 year. It's very tough to do that. And if you can even make 10K also after a year, once you start out, that's huge. That's a huge success. YouTube is a long-term game. It's a marathon, man. It's not sprints. You cannot just wake up one day and you get viral. It's like every day. It's like every day you put in the effort, you make content, you do good content, you do good editing, thumbnails, titles, and you do it on a consistent, and that's how you grow it, man. Marathon. It's marathon. This is the link, Digital Raghav. I still don't have your link. Can you just paste the link or maybe type down your channel so that I can just research? Agreed. Hope you're doing well, and the camera quality is nice. Yes, Shasham. I'm using a DSLR, and that's the reason the camera quality is good. You can also invest with time, like we mentioned in the last time. Is this your channel, Digital Raghav? Just copy paste this, open YouTube. This is some other Raghav Digital. Let me filter down channels. Raghav, can you please let me know? Okay, I got you. I just minimize down so that you can see. Sure. So this is your channel. Let's take about section. Are you struggling to get sales? Are you confused with which method to get more business? Do you want to save money? Well, this channel is about knowledge, different fields, no matter it's sales, digital marketing. So see, if you see, you even did not rechecked what you wrote in your about section. This is it. No matter it's sales, digital marketing. So these are the small little things that you need to mention, and you need to see at least. This is a silly mistake. You cannot mention 2 times digital marketing in the same sentence. Then it's like I on a mission. It's a wrong English. It needs to be I am on a mission to educate 1 lakh people to teach the tricks of sales, digital marketing. Please like, share. Okay, you don't have links here. There you get the option. You get the option to mention the links here about your Instagram, your freebie, or whatever links that you need to mention. You can just go out and mention the links here so that people can come out into your about section and they can get into the zone where they want to go to, or maybe some other websites where you want to drive traffic to. You don't have any playlist. One of the things that you are missing out on, because playlists act as Netflix for YouTube. People like to binge watch content once they have come here in the agenda, in the mood of learning things. So you need to have some kind of playlist there, making it easier for people, because there are tons of videos. And if I want to learn just about sales, if you have a sales playlist, I'll not go out and search for all the videos that you have on your channel on sales. I just go on, click on the playlist section, and then click on the sales playlist and watch the content. Now this is cool. Can you edit mine as well? I have to change the channel art though low. Yeah, Hisham, after this, after I talk about Raghav, we'll do yours too. I hope this Hisham talk is your YouTube channel. So that's one thing, Raghav, about improvement in about creating of playlists. The 2 things, note it down somewhere. Thumbnails are pretty, it's not very good. Still you can make great thumbnails, man. I don't know why people don't use Canva. You have pre-templates there, bro. You have pre-templates there. You just need to use remove.bg, pick up your photo, put it on your Canva, use one of the text, take one of the template, or just use a bold color, a black color or white color, or whatever color you want to choose. Make good thumbnails, man. I really get irritated when I see these kinds of thumbnails. Like, it's not perfect, man. Though it's not perfect, just leave about perfectness. I just talk about some decent thumbnails. Canva, you get everything. Go on Canva website, canva.com. You have the pre-templates. Go make it. Make it. Why COVID-19 increased in India? Your content was about digital marketing, and the first content that I see on your YouTube channel is about COVID. Bro, where are you going, bro? No, you have to find out one particular keyword, digital marketing, then stick to digital marketing. If you're talking about sales, stick to sales, nothing else. Not Corona thing. How to learn stock marketing and trading. You mentioned in your about section that you're gonna talk about tricks of sales and digital marketing, and then your video is all about stock market and trading. This cannot work, bro. This cannot work. So you have to be very specific with what your channel and your brand message that you want to give to the audience, and have a cover art, bro. You don't have a cover art. So these are the few things that you can focus: making good thumbnails, sticking to one keyword, having a cover art, changing the about section, having playlist. Improve on this. Maybe next time when I do a live stream, I would re-audit your channel if you have already mentioned, corrected all these things. जोर जोर से बोलकर सबको स्कीम बता दो. That's the best thing about me, Ajay. That's the best thing about me, man. I don't hold up knowledge. I feel let's talk about something which is not related to this. My gotra, like in Hinduism, there is the concept called gotra, and my gotra is Vasist. And Vasist, initially, like if you go to the ancestral history and where the word Vasist came from, was one of the Sapt Rishis that was mentioned in Hinduism, which was Guru Vasist. And Guru Vasist was a guru, and he was the guru of Lord Rama. And that's where I come from, bro. That's where I come from. I come from an ancestor who was a guru, and guru don't hold up knowledge to themselves, bro. That's what I do. I give it up, everything. I give it everything for free. Anything that I charge of is about my time, and things that doesn't take my time, which is like I cannot go out and research content for Raghav, but what I can do is I can help him out in the things and the mistakes that he's doing, and which is helping. And if it helps him and if he's growing, that's the best thing that I can get back. As is like, a person grew just because of me, just because of my teaching, or just because of something that I help him in some part of my life. That's the best thing, man. Paying it forward is the first thing that you need to do in your life. Earning money, doing good in life, being successful is secondary. Paying it forward should be your first priority. Help more and more people. That's what you need to do, man. That's what you need to do. So let's take to Hisham. Hisham is, bro, if you don't know who Hisham is a very good friend of mine. He's great at making thumbnails. He's awesome. He's not just great, he's awesome. See, Hisham Talks comes on first. That's great, man. Okay. You don't have videos, Hisham, man. You don't have videos. What should I do now? What should I audit now? What should I audit? Hisham, are you there? I'm not happy. I'm not happy. Where are the videos? Just check the about section. Just check the about section. Okay. Hisham Talks changes, brings you educational content that help you to make money online, help total beginner. No, there would be no gimmicks, no get rich quick schemes, no rags to riches story, no none of that sort. I'm Hisham, self-taught organic graphic designer who have been living off internet with the skill that I taught myself in the last decade, if not more. I'd be sharing everything that worked for me, plus things that worked for people I have developed relationships during this journey. The goal is to help you people with the same, and if something you'd want to feel free, try it on. This is the best. This is the best intro, or maybe just talk about the about section. Exactly what you need to write. You talk about what you are, who you are, what you do, and how you help. That's the fourth thing. Who you are, what you do, how you came here. Just add one more thing, and what you do. That's simple. As simple as that. And Hisham has written it so beautifully well. Like, it's amazing. Like, this should be the bio. You go search for Hisham Talks and go and check the about section. Raghav, if you are listening this, go and check it out. And he has mentioned about the links that I talked about. He has mentioned about the email also. You need to make a business email so that people can contact you from YouTube also. Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Mention links for your social media links, because you can cross promote yourself. If you are getting traffic on YouTube, you can cross promote it on Instagram and other social media platforms. If you have a lead list, you can mention about the website there so that people can click on that and go to that. It generally comes in the cover photo of in the right corner, but it comes on only on the computer screen, and it will not be shown on the mobile phone. But about section, the links are shown when you mention about those links in the about section. So that you need to do. Let's talk about the channel trailer that Hisham has made. Entrepreneurship is not a channel keyword, Hisham. You have to remove this. T-Public is not your social media marketing is one of the thing. Logo designing is your thing. Freelancing is your thing. Fiverr is your thing. Merch by Amazon can be if you are designing merch. Online design, graphic design, Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, maybe something else. Adobe can be there. Digital files can be there. And apart from all those things, make money online, entrepreneurship, business, motivation, mindset. Those are not the channel tags that you need to mention. You need to mention the channel tags needs to be very specific to what your channel stands for, because everything that you do on YouTube, it's like an CV in front of the YouTube algorithm. So if you talk about business, mindset and everything, YouTube algorithm will be confused that are you talking about business, are you talking about mindset? But you are a graphic designer, which you are not inputting to the YouTube algorithm. So don't confuse the algorithm by doing a lot of things. Be specific what you stand for, what you need to build authority on. So there needs to be a Venn diagram. There needs to be two circles. A circle which stands for what your channel stands for, and the other circle what your audience wants to listen. And that needs to be a Venn diagram. If you have studied sets in your maths, there was a concept called a Venn diagram, where the intersection point and the intersection space that is created by two circles is the area that you need to make content on. One, what your channel stands for. Second, what the audience cares for. And that's where you need to make content for, man. That's where you need to make content. Let me see if anyone wants to have some channel audits. I will do it, or I'll just wrap up the live stream. Kya haal hai ji Akib Khan bhai? Long time no see. Don't text. No hi hello. Why this cola very deep, man? Sure. Is it Hisham Talks Pro? Yes. Is it? It is Hisham Talks. I don't know Hisham or Hisham. Hisham, not Hisham. It's Hisham. I'm bad at pronouncing names. Sorry. Digital, yep. Hisham Talks. Sure, bro. Any other questions that you have? Please feel free to ask, or I'll just wrap up the live stream, and then maybe I'll come next week again to do a live stream. I won't do it every day because I don't want to build expectations and then black out and go out. So every day every week I'll be coming and doing this live stream. Bus, man, busy with the college stuff. Yeah, I agree. Everyone is busy with the college stuff, and it's completely okay, Akib. It's completely okay. Let's catch up sometime soon if you come to Delhi. And Ajay, if you're coming to Delhi, it's good. Please come. We'd love to meet and enjoy and have a good time. Any other questions that you have? 5 people watching me. Thank you so much for coming on my live stream. It's amazing that you people come, talk to me, have live feedback, and it's like amazing. Ajay, can you please ask the question again? Next month I'm coming to Delhi. Can we meet? Yes, we can. We will. We will, Ajay. We will. That's not a question you need to ask for, at least to me. So yeah, that's about it. Sure, my sister stays in Karol Bagh. Oh, Raghav, that's good to hear. Karol Bagh is a nearby place. I stay in Kamla Nagar. I stay in Kamla Nagar in New Delhi, which is in the north campus of Delhi University. That's where I stay. So this was it from the live stream. Thank you so much for coming up, Raghav, Akib, Hisham, Raghav, and all those people that came. Neil Armstrong, not to forget to mention you. Saurabh also, and thank you so much for coming up in the live stream. We'll see you next week. Turn on the notification so that next time I go live, unexpectedly, you come on time and we have a great time together. So thank you so much. Let's take a break. You can go and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and everywhere. I am highly active on Facebook. All the links are in the description. Go follow, send me a friend request, feel free to text, and I will see you in the next live stream. Tada, bye bye, see you, and have a good night. Help people, do more good to the society, don't expect, and that's all, man. Be kind to people, be kind to people. There is a lot of tension, there's a lot of depression, there's a lot of hell lot of things going on. Try to be kind, try to put a smile on someone's face, try to help a person, and that's all, man. Be kind, be courteous, be helpful, and be a good person. Be a good person, just 1% better than you were yesterday. Tada.